Google Search Console is a powerful tool that countless people rely on daily to make SEO decisions. But if you don't know or understand the Google Search Console data limitations, it can be like looking at dense fog trying to decide where to go next. The first limitation is that Google Search Console imposes a strict limit on data available through its interface and export options. Users can only view or download a maximum of 1000 rows of data regardless of filters. The interface automatically sorts this data by clicks and impressions, with any subsequent filtering performed using client-side JavaScript. This data limitation significantly impacts larger websites, potentially obscuring valuable data when sorting by metrics like average position. However, users can access more data by developing custom solutions with the Google Search Console API or using a third-party tool like SEO testing. These workarounds will help you extract more data, but there's still one massive limitation that no technical solution can fix. When Google Search Console shows you the keywords your site appears for in the SERP, this data is not always complete. While it tracks impressions and clicks for all pages, the individual query data often doesn't add up to the total metrics. This means Google is sampling query data. This sampling mainly affects long-tail keywords that receive minimal monthly searches, as Google limits this data citing user privacy concerns. Despite these limitations, Search Console remains one, if not the most reliable source of keyword data. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Our goal at SEO Testing is to save you time so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Now, back to the video. Another problem is that impression data reported in Google Search Console can sometimes be overinflated due to URLs appearing as site links on brand searches. In our experience, while site links take up extra real estate in the SERPs, they hardly ever get clicked by users. When users search for a brand name, their destination is often the site's homepage. Having impressions increased by URLs appearing as site links can manipulate a page's click-through rate. Another limitation is that the average position in Search Console can be misleading for queries and pages that have a low number of impressions. The average position includes localized and personalized results, and when you or your employees search for the site, you could artificially increase your page's average position. Geographical data is another limitation, as you can only filter data by country. This is not likely to be very helpful if you are a small local business targeting a specific city. Another frustrating aspect of Google Search Console is that there are only 16 months of available data. Google systems automatically purge information older than 16 months from their databases, making this data permanently inaccessible through the platform. Fortunately, you can preserve historical data by exporting it to Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets before it disappears. Actually, you should set up regular exports that extend far beyond Search Console's 16-month limit, or use SEO testing as we save the site clicks and impressions to the dashboard. Google Search Console only provides insights from Google search results. While this data is valuable about your performance in Google, it represents just one segment of the overall search landscape. The platform cannot track or display any traffic coming from alternative search engines such as Bing, SearchGPT, or DuckDuckGo. We'd suggest complementing your Google Search Console data with data from other analytics sources like Google Analytics and Bing Webmaster Tools. Doing so will give you a more complete understanding of your website's standing in search as a whole, not just on Google. Regarding backlinks, Google Search Console displays only a portion of a website's total backlink profile. While the dashboard shows you various external links pointing to your site, it doesn't reveal every backlink in existence. According to John Mueller, the backlinks in Google Search Console represent the most relevant ones for website owners to monitor, particularly when evaluating links for disavowal purposes. This statement provides insight into Google's intentional filtering of backlink data in Google Search Console. For a complete view of a site's backlink profile, we recommend signing up for a more specialized SEO tool. These platforms maintain independent crawling systems that frequently find additional backlinks beyond what Google Search Console reports. Another limitation is that Google Search Console will provide some information on how Google crawls your website. But this data is not 100% accurate. Firstly, Google does not crawl every page on a site. They have to follow the rules set on the robots.txt file. Any page that Google is told not to crawl should not appear in the crawl results. It is also worth noting that Google's crawl data is usually delayed, meaning that any information you see on the Google Search Console dashboard is usually 2 or 3 days old. To get around this, we'd recommend using a real-time website crawling tool such as Screaming Frog. Now, if you want to make the most out of your Google Search Console data, use SEO testing to set up SEO tests and know what changes to your site increase traffic. We have a 14-day free trial for you to test it. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.